Welcome to your dream home. This spacious 4-bedroom colonial is located in the Forest Ridge neighborhood. This community offers an abundance of activities for everyone, including sports for the kids and a swimming pool everyone will enjoy. This home has had so many updates. We're talking carefree living for a really long time, so read the details about that. And in the meantime, enjoy your tour of 5051 Strathaven Drive. So how did you enjoy your tour? Please don't hesitate to call if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to give you a tour of this lovely home.